How to apply filters to a video call on WhatsApp.
Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to apply filters to a video call on WhatsApp. This feature allows you to express your mood or just have fun during your video chats.
Opening a video call on WhatsApp.
Firstly, you need to understand how to start a video call on WhatsApp. You can do this by following these steps. 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. 2. Go to the chat of the contact with whom you want to start a video call. 3. Tap the video camera icon located at the top right corner of the screen. And voila! You've started a video call.
Applying filters during the call.
Now, let's get into the main topic, applying filters during your video call. To do this, you should 1. While you're in the video call, tap on your screen. 2. A few icons should appear on your screen. Look for an icon that looks like a magic wand or palette. This is your filter icon. Tap on it. 3. You'll see a list of filters appearing at the bottom of your screen. Swipe left or right to preview the filters. 4. Once you find a filter you like, tap on it to apply it to your video feed. Please note that the actual process and the available filters might vary based on the version of WhatsApp you are using and the device you have.
Removing or changing filters.
If at any point during the call you want to remove or change the filter, just repeat the steps in the previous section. Tap on the screen to bring up the filter icon, select it, and either choose a new filter or select the None option to remove the filter altogether. There you have it. That's how you can apply, change, and remove filters during a video call on WhatsApp. We hope you found this guide helpful, and we encourage you to have fun experimenting with different filters during your video calls.